Well, you've shown us a lot of different things you can do to a 1911. Is there more?
Oh, absolutely there is. For example, let me show you.
Oh, hey, I recognize this gun. This is the gun that you built from a parts kit in the course, step by step. That's pretty cool.
Yes, it is. This is also a crossover, but it has a completely different design. Let me show you some of the differences. We'll start with the sights.
All right.
Okay. This has a fiber optic front sight. And the advantage of a fiber optic sight is that it glows in the sunlight, and it looks just like a red traffic light. Let's go to the rear. This is completely different. If you will notice, we have a ring here. It's like the old M1 Garand's peep sights.
I bet you that's really fast to pick up.
Absolutely, it's super fast. And with a fiber optic and so forth, it works good for self-defense as well. Close shooting, there's nothing any faster. And it's also adjustable. Now, here's another feature of this gun that we haven't talked about. All right? Let's go to the mag well. Look at this. There's no seam. It's integral to the frame.
Okay.
But look at the opening.
That's
just like the other one.
It's like a tunnel.
Beautiful.
So I noticed this has the rounded trigger guard and a curved trigger versus the flat trigger.
That is correct. These are some of the choices you, that are going to be building the gun, will have as an option.
Well, what other options could they do?
Okay, let me show you. We talked some about safety. We talked some about being able to get the shot off by depressing the grip safety. All right, I want to turn this around. Now, look how high this is as compared to the other. There are a number of people out there that have a hand that can't press that when they shoot it. In other words, it's depressed, but they still don't deactivate it because it's not enough. We call this the speed bump. Now, for the person that's got a big knuckle here and that hits the safety, what we do is we trim this back drastically. So again, now it's shooter friendly. This is another individual thing that the builder can do. Let's go up here. We have a holster. When this is flat, it hits. And if it's a leather holster, it shears off some of the leather. That's not good. So we trim this off, trim it off here as well.
So again, you're breaking the profile of the slide stop in that particular case.
Absolutely, yes. These are, again, options that the shooter can use. Now, here is something that we haven't shown before. We've had a bushing barrel. This one is different. It is a bull barrel, meaning we do not use a bushing, and it's very thick and it's very heavy. The advantage of a bull barrel is this. You have less muzzle rise, and it also makes less recoil because the barrel is fatter and bigger and it has no bushing.
Exactly. You know, there are so many great choices that you get to make as you decide how you want to build your personal 1911. Now check out this segment from the Building the 1911 from a Parts Kit.
In Volume 2, he shows you how to build a custom 1911 pistol from a race-ready kit, saving you time and money. He covers the myriad of different choices and options available to you in designing your custom pistol. As he begins the building process, he will cover many of the same steps in Volume 1. However, we planned the courses so that each one is unique and different. He uses different tooling, teaches you different techniques and processes as he goes through building each pistol. In Volume 2, he shows you how to cut the lugs on the barrel, ream the barrel, ramp the barrel, install a full-length guide rod, perform the pencil test and the hang test, how to fit the safeties, and perform a complete trigger job. Again, using different fixtures and techniques and with our exclusive close-ups. And in the section on final contouring, he shows you more tricks and tips to customize the pistol for your specific needs, whether it's carry or competition.
Well, as you can see from those segments, we teach you everything you need to know to be a certified 1911 pistol smith. We cover all the parts, the tooling, the procedures, all the labor, step by step, so you really understand what you're doing and can build these beautiful pistols. Do you want to learn complete design, function, and repair of all different types of firearms and become a certified professional gunsmith? If so, go to www.americangunsmithinginstitute.com and request a complete information package.